Bite off more than one can chew. Taking 3 jobs at once is probably biting off more than you can chew.
I bit off more than I could chew when I volunteered to manage 3 league teams.
Beat around the bush. Beat about the bush.
Come on Bill, get to the point. Don't beat about the bush. We want a straight answer to the question. If you want to ask me, just ask, don't beat around the bush.
Ring a bell. The name of the restaurant rings a bell, but I'm not sure if I've actually been there. The name of the actress may not ring a bell, but you all have seen her as a child artist in the TV show years ago. On the rocks. Their marriage was on the rocks as they couldn't get along with each other anymore and were having huge arguments very frequently. The economy of this country is on the rocks. Something must be done before it's too late. Speak off the cuff. She wasn't expecting to win, so she hadn't prepared a speech, but she still managed to say a few words off the cuff after being given the award. You know I'm no good at making speeches even when I have time to prepare them. I'm even worse when I have to speak off the cuff.